Hello guys, let's apply the screen protector together. First, use the alcohol pad to clean the screen. And use the dry cloth to dry your screen. There may be some particles. We can use the dust sticker to absorb them. And align the installation tool with the phone. Take out the screen protector. Peel off the protective film. Align the hole with the front camera. Slide your finger in this side. And use the scraper to smooth it. Now we have a new screen protector on your phone.